Hello students. In previous class, I taught you how can you write a perfect notice in a perfect format. But in this class, I'm going to give you an example. I'll write a notice in the form of example and try to fulfill the rules and regulations and the ways what I had given you in previous class. I will fit the notice in the format what I had taught you in the previous class, because the many students demanded it that I should have to give an example in the form of a notice which could show them the how the notice can be follow all the rules of that format. So today I decided that I will give the perfect example by writing a notice. So before we start writing notice, we know the question. What will be the question? So listen it carefully. The question is, you are Rahul or Rasmi. As president of the Lions Club of your school, you have organized an inter-school debate competition on the occasion of Silver Jubilee celebration of your school. You have to write the notice, not more than 50 words, to inform the students or participants who want to participate in this debate competition. So the question is, you are going to consider yourself by one of the name Rahul or Rasmi. If the boy will take the name Rahul and girl will take the name Rasmi, and president of the Lion Club, on behalf of the Lion Club president, you are going to write this notice. So how and what the beginning and how we are going to start this. Before we start writing it, first of all, in the class I have told that you will have to write the name of the issuing body first, or the body which is going to issue this notice. So let me erase it. Sagar English Solution Point, and here I'm going to write the name of the issuing, but I will use both of the colors, but you are not allowed to write two or three colors in your examination. For the clearance and for convincing way, I am going to use the both of the colors. तो हम लोग आज नोटिस राइटिंग में बच्चे हम लोग आप लोग को हम ये बताने जा रहे हैं कि कैसे जो फॉर्मेट हमने पिछले क्लास में दिया उस फॉर्मेट में कैसे एक नोटिस को सेट कर सकते हैं। नोटिस में प्रश्न यह है कि आप राहुल या रश्मि हैं जो कि लायंस क्लब के प्रेसिडेंट हैं और आप सिल्वर जुबली सेलिब्रेट करने जा रहे हैं अपनी स्कूल की तरफ से, और उसमें आपने इंटर स्कूल डिबेट कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज किया है। आप नोटिस लिख रहे हैं ताकि और बच्चों को इन्फॉर्म कर सके जो इस कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हैं वो अपना नाम दें और इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करें। तो इस तरीके से लॉयन क्लब जो कि किसी स्कूल का एक क्लब है। तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं बिगिनिंग से, इशूइंग बॉडी से। Lions Club, let the name of school is ABC. ABC Public School, Barauni. This is the issuing body, and after that we are going to mention the date of the issuing date of the notice. Let us suppose we are going to give the date 17th August 2020. Now the third part is we are going to write the word notice. Fourth part, we are going to write the topic of the notice. Inter school, debate, competition. This is our heading or the name or the topic on which we are going to organize this debate competition. So according to format, you can see here we have mentioned the name of issuing body Lions Club ABC Public School Baroni, on date on which I am going to issue this notice to 17th August 2020. After that you have mentioned the word notice and topic on which the notice is going to be published. And now we are going to start body of the notice. The Lions Club is organizing an inter school debate competition on the occasion of हमारा ओकेजन हमने बताया था सिल्वर जुबली सेलिब्रेशन. As per details given below. So I am going to give the detail. First, I'll mention the date, that is, let us suppose 30 August 2020. After that I will mention time. AM onward, उसके बाद से. After that I will mention venue where I am going to organize this competition. Let us give a name and name Saraswati Auditorium. So students, here the space is small, so I will have to erase. And the first thing I told that notice you are going to write in a box. So we are going to draw the box. You can draw the box after finishing your notice too. The notice has not finished, so I'm not going to close the box. So I'm going to give you time so that you can note it down. After that, I will erase the red part and try to finish the remaining part of the notice. I hope that it's clear to see and you will be able to write it down. तो स्टूडेंट्स, हमें लग रहा है कि शायद ये साफ दिखने में आपको हो रहा है और आप उसे लिख भी सकते हैं, देख भी सकते हैं। और मैं तो बोल करके लिख रहा था, तो साथ साथ में भी आप केवल फॉर्मेट को फॉलो करना था, इस चीज़ को हमने दिखाया। सो लेट मी इरेज द एबव लाइंस, द रेड कलर लाइंस। हमने एबव लाइंस में क्या मेंशन किया? इशूइंग बॉडी का नाम जो कि लायंस क्लब ABC पब्लिक स्कूल बरौनी है, और डेट ऑफ इशूइंग 17 अगस्त 2022 में। थर्ड हमने वर्ड लिखा नोटिस, और फोर्थ में हमारा क्या टॉपिक है या टाइटल क्या है नोटिस का, उसको हमने मेंशन किया। सब्जेक्ट क्या है उसको हमने मेंशन किया, और उसके बाद ब्लैक कलर से हमने बॉडी को लिखना स्टार्ट किया। सो लेट मी इरेज द अबव लाइंस टू फिल द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द नोटिस। Now, after that, I am going to write the topic on which you are going to organize the debate competition. And topic will be in inverted comma, nuclear armament is India's best defense against cross-border terrorism. This is the topic of debate. And at the end, I'm going to close this notice by giving some instruction. Last date of receipt of names August 20 up to 4:30 p.m. in the activities room. Now the important information regarding the notice is over. So I am going to erase this below line and wind up the notice. Yes. So if you are a boy, you are going to write your name here at the end, Rahul. Put your signature and put your designation here. President. And here your notice is over. So students, I hope that it is clear that how can you write a perfect notice by taking an example from this notice writing. I am going to close my box because notice is over. So in my side, it is very clear how can you mention all the factors of notice and protect your marks from getting deducted by your evaluator. So for the further videos, you can subscribe Sagar English Solution Point and on your notifications, because I will provide the videos for the 9, 10, 11, 12 all the classes for literature and grammar section, and your comment will also boost up me that whether and what the improvement is required in my video. So students, I hope that it is easy to note you down in this enough time. So bye, thank you for the next video. In the next video we are going to meet once again. हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि आप लोग को यह एग्जाम्पल देखने के बाद नोटिस राइटिंग पूरी तरह से क्लियर हो जाएगा, और अब कैसे हमने इन सारे फैक्टर्स को इस नोटिस राइटिंग में रखा, आपने इसे देखा। और फिर फर्दर वीडियो के लिए आपने चैनल सागर इंग्लिश सॉल्यूशन पॉइंट को सब्सक्राइब करें और नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन रखिएगा, तो जो भी राइटिंग सेशन या लिटरेचर से रिलेटेड वीडियोज़ में डालूंगा आपको पता चल जाएगा। सो अगले वीडियो में हम तो फिर मिलते हैं। थैंक यू।